All right, hey, Jim, this video is going to be all about animal sounds. So we've got the frog pitch exercise, dingo, cockatoo, and the kookaburra. So the pitch exercise, basically you have to do a high pitch of the low hum. So, and you want to do it in a falsetto voice like Mickey Mouse. So it would be, ooh. If I'm doing ooh as my low pitch, it'll be ooh, and that'll get you the high growl. So I went slightly flat, I even got a better growl. So you're trying to get that kind of a sound and then going even higher. Ooh, go, ooh, go. That kind of a thing. So it'll sound like this. That kind of sound. So that's for the frog. The dingo is basically just a high-pitched, again, falsetto kind of bark that the dog does. It's a scared kind of bark. It'll bark at something, look back, for, run a little farther away, bark, look back. Strange little wild dog. So it's like this. And you do it randomly when you do that. The cockatoo basically is kind of a cuckoo, 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 real high pitched sound going cuckoo. So make sure you make the pitch without blowing too much air out, so you cut off the drone. And the final one, the kookaburra, it starts out slow, low, coo, 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 coo. I kind of open up into that to get that screeching sound. Slows at first and then slowly speeds up as you raise pitch. So you can even start slower and go and raise a little slower. All right, those are the animal sounds.